There are several herbs and spices with multiple potential health benefits, such as those with anti-inflammatory properties, cognitive boosters, and some that may even aid in fighting cancer. However, it is important to note that herbal supplements are not subject to the same testing, manufacturing, and labeling standards and regulations as drugs. Therefore, it is important to consult with a healthcare provider before taking any herbal supplements. Please refer to the Medicinal Garden Kit guideline for more instructions. How can I avoid these risks or limitations? Some of the ways you can avoid these risks or limitations are: do your research, learn as much as you can about the plants or remedies you want to use, their benefits, side effects, interactions, dosages, and contraindications. Use reliable sources of information, such as books, websites, journals, or experts in the field. Avoid sources that make exaggerated or unsubstantiated claims or that have conflicts of interest. Consult your doctor or herbalist before using any plant or remedy, especially if you have a chronic condition, are pregnant or breastfeeding, or are taking any medication. Consult your doctor or herbalist for advice and guidance. They can help you determine if the plant or remedy is safe and suitable for you, and how to use it properly and effectively. Follow the instructions. Use the plants or remedies according to the instructions on the label, package, or guide that comes with the kit. Do not exceed the recommended dosage, frequency, or duration of use. Do not mix or combine plants or remedies without consulting your doctor or herbalist first. Do not substitute or replace conventional treatment with plants or remedies without consulting your doctor first. Monitor your response. Pay attention to how your body reacts to the plants or remedies you use. Look for any signs of improvement, worsening, or adverse effects. If you experience any negative or unexpected effects, stop using the plant or remedy immediately and seek medical attention if necessary. Keep a record of your use and response to the plants or remedies for future reference. These are some of the ways you can avoid these risks or limitations. By being careful and informed, you can use natural remedies safely and effectively for your health and well-being. What are some reliable sources of information on natural remedies? Some of the reliable sources of information on natural remedies are: books. There are many books written by reputable authors, herbalists, and researchers on natural remedies. Some examples are: The Herbal Medicine Maker's Handbook, a home manual by James Green. Rosemary Gladstar's Medicinal Herbs, a beginner's guide by Rosemary Gladstar. The Modern Herbal Dispensatory, a medicine-making guide by Thomas Easley and Stephen Horn. The Way of Herbs by Michael Tierra. Websites. There are many websites that provide credible and evidence-based information on natural remedies. Some examples are: National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, NCC. American Botanical Council, ABC. American Herbalists Guild, AHG. HerbMed. Journals. There are many journals that publish peer-reviewed articles and studies on natural remedies. Some examples are: Journal of Ethnopharmacology, Journal of Herbal Medicine, Phytotherapy Research, Journal of Natural Products. Experts. There are many experts in the field of natural remedies, such as herbalists, naturopaths, doctors, pharmacists, and researchers. You can consult them for advice and guidance on natural remedies. You can also look for their credentials, qualifications, experience, and affiliations to verify their reliability. These are some of the reliable sources of information on natural remedies. You should always check the accuracy, validity, and currency of the information you find and compare it with multiple sources before using it. Hey there! If you're looking for quality content that's both informative and entertaining, then you've come to the right place. By subscribing to my channel, you'll get access to exclusive videos that you won't find anywhere else. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button now and join our community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about gardening tips.